Hello everyone, this is Dr. Speights with Math Videos on PowerPoint. In this lesson, we're going to be graphing using the X and Y intercepts. Graphing using the X and Y intercepts. So here's how to find the intercepts. Now if you want to find the X-intercept of an equation, all you have to do is replace the Y with 0 and then solve for X. Now, on the other hand, if you want to find the Y-intercept of the equation, then you're going to remove X and then replace it with 0 so that you can solve for Y. So, in other words, you're going to always replace a variable with 0 in order to solve for the other variable. All right? So here's the given equation, 2x plus 3y equals 6. Now, it doesn't matter the order that you do it in, whether you let y be 0 first or whether you let x be 0 first, as long as you do it twice. So the first time you do it, you can let x be 0, then you're going to do it again. You'll let y be 0. So let's do the first one of letting x be 0 first. Let's focus on that one. So notice when we let x be 0, you know that any number times 0 is 0. So what you have on the left side is 3y, and what you have on the right side then would be 6. Last step to solving this equation is to do what? That's correct. Divide by 3, and y equals 2. So what that means is when you plug in a 0 for x, what you get out for y is a 2. So therefore your order pair would be 0, 2. Now the next time we're going to leave x alone and we're going to focus on y. So we're going to remove the y, replace it with 0. When we do that, we can clearly see that what we have on the left side is 2x and on the right side you have 6. So when we bring that down, we have 2x equals 6. Last step to solving this equation is to do what? That's correct. Divide by 2 and x equals 3. So what that means is when you plug in a 0 for y, what you get out for x is a 3. Now be careful, the most common mistakes I see when students are graphing on their tests is that they may transpose these points, these values. So here for x you have a 3 and that should be first. And what you got out for y was a 0. That should be second, so your order pair is 3, 0. And now that we have our 2 points, and these points are called the x and the y intercept, we can go ahead and graph our line. Remember, you only need 2 points to plot a line. So the first one is going to be over 3 and stay at 0. The other is going to be 0 and up 2. Line your ruler up and draw a line through the 2 points.